Hi there, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix mouse inactive in your Logitech G Hub app. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, just follow all of the steps I'm doing right now. Okay. The first and foremost thing you have to do is you have to click the Apple icon on the top left corner and select System Settings. And here you have to go to the accessibility options, and to do that normally you have to go privacy and security, and here scroll down a bit and choose accessibility. Here we'll get some options. Just normally make sure that you have checked Logitech G Hub agent first, so I'm gonna checking it out. So here you go, provide your fingerprint or password. Over here I'm providing the fingerprint and clicking on this plus icon. And here, I'm also gonna select the Logitech G Hub app right now and selecting open. And that's it. Make sure that you have checked both of them, and we have done with the accessibility. Now we are going to adjust input monitoring section. So what you have to do right now is we have to go back. So clicking this back icon, and now I'm scrolling and selecting input monitoring. Choose it and click on this plus icon again and choose your Logitech G Hub app and click on this open again and choose quit and reopen. Then the app is going to reopen. Just wait a few seconds until it's completely reopened. Here you can see that it's reopening and it has detected the mouse. And that's all for today's video, how you can fix your mouse inactivity on macOS in Logitech G Hub app. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel anyway. Allah Hafiz.